Hello, good morning, my diamond squad. What's going on? I am here with the first job of today. This company is called Ever Scouts, and the job role for this job will be a guide. It's a part-time job position. It's paying $30 an hour. You guys, yes, you heard me by $30 an hour. The benefits are a flexible schedule. This job description is here. It says we're looking for this generation's Bill Nye or Miss Frizzles, a dynamic personality who can make even a lesson on responsibility feel like an adventure. About the program, Everett Scouts teaches kids life skills they can't find in textbooks and give them a digital world to practice them in. Designed by child behavioral and social emotional learning experts, our program teaches values and skills we call the 12 keys, like self-regulation, empathy, and integrity. Kids practice these keys in the Ever Scouts app through interactive live group hangouts and async digital challenges. Each hangout presents scouts with a narrative and a problem to tackle. The choices kids make using their life skills determine how the story plays out. We believe creating a space for kids to process and practice these keys will unlock their future and give them the tools they need today to navigate their tomorrow. An Ever Scouts Guide is a modern-day mentor who will lead a group of elementary school kids through a live, on-screen adventure to teach personal and social responsibility. One day, you might lead kids through a virtual escape room to teach problem solving. The next, you may play a not-so-innocent bystander they'll interview to learn about empathy and social awareness. Our curriculum and content teams craft hangouts that are both effective and engaging, but it'll be up to you to suspend kids' disbelief and help them buy into the story's stakes. You'll encourage kids to explain and debate their decisions, celebrate their self-expression, and challenge their thinking. As you react to their choices and highlight their process, you'll see real learning unfold. And when the hangout is over, you'll work with our content and curriculum teams to give feedback and make the next script even better. Who you are and what you're good at. There's no one way to be a guide. Maybe you're a decorated teacher who captained your college improv team. College improv team. Maybe you're a working comedian who was previously a beloved summer camp counselor. Or maybe you're a fitness instructor who was the most sought after babysitter in your neighborhood. We believe great guides come from diverse backgrounds, so we don't require a certain set of degrees or life experiences to apply. Here's what we'll look for. You come alive on screen. You're charismatic, and you can keep a virtual audience engaged over a long period of time. Working with children gets you out of bed in the morning. You understand how 8 through 10-year-olds work, their sense of humor, what frustrates and excites them, and how to talk but not talk down to them. You're comfortable talking about values and behaviors without sounding preachy. Bonus points if you're familiar with social emotional learning and character development or at the theoretical or academic level. You're a tremendous teammate. You can give and receive kind and direct feedback. What you'll do, providing engaging and effective facilitation of live 1-hour virtual hangouts, responding to, reacting to, and connecting with kids in attendance. Training, reading hangout scripts throughout and translating them into your personal voice. Attending table reads and dress rehearsals with the content and curriculum teams. Implementing feedback from others and providing peer feedback. Recording personalized messages for scouts. recording brief videos to introduce our daily in-app challenges. Hangout feedback and follow-up. Providing feedback on the Hangouts you've run and flagging any interactions for follow-up. This is a fully remote part-time contract position that includes regular evening and weekend work. All Hangouts occur in the evenings and on weekends. Though prep work and rehearsals can occur at any time during the week, please only apply if you are available and willing to work evenings and weekends on a consistent basis. Applicants must be able to work at least 10 hours a week. Between prep time and hangout delivery, we may be able to offer as many as 20 hours per week. Pay will be based on a negotiated hourly rate for the right candidate. There may be an opportunity to move into a full-time position in the future. We believe it's important for kids to see themselves reflected in the media they consume and the people they interact with. We encourage applicants from all backgrounds to apply. Applicants can be based anywhere in the United States with a preference of applicants in the New York City metro area. There may be occasional opportunities for travel. Background and reference checks are required for this position, and please apply using this form right here. This is the link, and I will post it in the description box below. And this is a part-time job, you guys, working with ResultsCX. The company name is ResultsCX once again, and the job role you will be doing is you will become a guide. It's a flexible schedule, and they're paying from $30. They're paying $30 to be exact per hour for part-time position, 10 to 20 hours per week, you guys, and you have to work evening shifts and weekends for this job position. It's mandatory because those are the times that they will be recording and doing everything they need to do with the hangouts and stuff. And the schedule is 10-hour shift, 4-hour shift, and 8-hour shift in this remote position. They're hiring for 2 candidates for this role. They just placed it on Indeed this morning, you guys. Posted today. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, go ahead and apply. Now the next job that I will be putting up here is from this company called ResultsCX. And they are now doing an interviewing process for Thursday, August 25th, 2022 at 9:30 a.m. through 6 o'clock p.m. in U.S. Eastern Time. Interview via video or phone. You'll receive an email on how to connect. 41 sign-ups so far. You sign up and you put all your information here, your mandatory requirements, you place all that there, and they even have the scheduled interview dates for this one particular job, you guys. Schedule a date. Those are the time slots they have left for this company called ResultsCX Virtual Interviews. It's ResultsCX. ResultsCX capital C, capital X. And it's a remote licensed health insurance agent position, and they're paying $21 an hour, and it's a seasonal position. So if you're in college, or and you need a job that's temporary, this is a seasonal position. An interview dress code would be business. You have to have a business suit and a tie on for this position. And what is a virtual interview? A virtual interview helps employees connect with the job seekers when they are not in the same physical location. Since hiring is a human process, employers would like to talk to you online, chat, video, or phone to see if you meet the requirements for the job. So that's it for this video, you guys. I will post the interview link in the description below if it seems like something you want to do. It's a remote licensed health insurance agent. It's $21 per hour, and it's a seasonal position. For anyone who wants temporary work for a seasonal position, this is it. I will post it in the description below, and the name of the company below, and the event. So that'll be all for this morning. Talk to you guys later. Keep on sparkling, keep on shining. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You got this. You guys got this. Smash that like button. Smash that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button, you guys. I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.